Welcome back, students. Today we will learn a new chapter from our English literature. So, students, have you heard anything about this great lady? I hope many of you heard something about her. So, now let's begin the chapter. The title is Mother Teresa. Okay? And come, let's read the chapter first. Mother Teresa was born on August 26, 1910. Her childhood name was Agnes Gonsha Bojanshiu. She was just 19 years old when she came to Kolkata on January 6, 1929, and she never left India after that. Her aim in life was to serve sick and poor people. She dedicated her entire life towards this humanitarian service. She used to visit extremely dark and dirty streets of Kolkata at night, offering food and shelter to the poor. When she first arrived in Kolkata, she had just rupees 500 with her and was helped by a priest. She lived in a small room for 9 years where she nursed the sick back to health. Every action of hers was full of compassion, dignity, and sympathy. Mother Teresa was born on August 26, 1910. Her childhood name was Agnes Gonsha Bojanshiu. Okay, students, and do you know when she came here? Yes, at the age of 19 she came to Kolkata, and when she reached Kolkata, she was how many years? 19 years. She served the sick people and the poor and the needy, and also she visited extremely dark and dirty streets of Kolkata at night. And what she done there? She served the people with food and shelter. Okay, when she reached Kolkata, she has only 500 rupees with her. A priest helped her. She gave full compassion, dignity, and sympathy against the work that she has done. Students, see the hard words for this paragraph. Dedicated. Dedicated means devoted. Dedicated means devoted. Compassion. Compassion meaning is the deep feeling of sympathy for the suffering of another. That is the meaning of compassion. Once more, the deep feeling of sympathy for the suffering of another. That is the meaning of compassion. Dignity. Dignity means honor or prestige. And sympathy. Sympathy means a feeling of pity for the person in distress. Okay, a feeling of pity for the person in distress. Missionaries. She managed to start various institutions to assist the downtrodden like Nirmal Hriday and Shishu Bhavan for mentally and physically challenged children. Mother Teresa was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in the year 1979 and the Bharat Ratna in the year 1980. She also received the Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Peace. In spite of all the public acclaim and honors, Mother Teresa remained humble, kind, and generous till the end. People from all over the world love her very much. She had been given the title the Florence Nightingale of India. She passed away on September 5, 1997. Students, the hard words of this paragraph, see here, downtrodden, oppressed or subjugated. Okay, and another hard words for this paragraph is, see here students, acclaim, admiration, acclaim, admiration, generous, ready to give something, generous, ready to give something. In this meantime, she started various institutions for what? To assist the downtrodden like Nirmal Hriday and Shishu Bhavan. So these two, Nirmal Hriday and Shishu Bhavan, are for mentally and physically challenged children. And also, do you know one thing students? She was awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in the year of 1979 and Bharat Ratna in the year of 1980. And also she received the Jawaharlal Nehru Award for International Peace. Okay, and she was remained humble, kind and generous at the end of her life. People from all over the world loved her very much. Why? Because she was a humble and kind lady. And do you see students, she got the title the Florence Nightingale of India. And this great lady, Mother Teresa, passed away on September 5, 1997. Hope you all understand the lesson. Have a nice day students.